Hey, I saw that you clicked onto our ad, but you didn't book in a call with me. Do you want Google Ads to work for you? Because it's working for so many other carpet cleaners just like you. I've got some amazing case studies here. So Jason, since working with us in Brighton, he's a carpet cleaner that now earns an extra 3.3k every month. Jared, for every pound that he puts into Google AdWords, he's getting £5.50 back. Dean, in 1 month, had 65 new leads. So he spent £750 and he got 5,200 back. Peter got 153 leads. He spent £2,600 and got back 14,950. And the Macmillans up in Scotland, in 3 months, they got 223 leads. They spent 1,560 and they got so much back. These numbers, they're not just one-offs. They're happening to so many carpet cleaners up and down the country. So why not you? Do you want more customers? Do you want to be more profitable? Give me a call. I'll be dead honest with you. If I don't think Google AdWords will work for you, I'll be the first to tell you. But what harm in there is having that call, pick up the phone and let's have that chat. So click on the link below, book in a call with me at any time that works for you, and let's see if we can get them same amazing numbers for you and your business.